Well, you may know this, you may not. I sold the wheels off the Tahoe. It's replaced with some 28x16 Amanis. The wheels that I'm taking off are sold, and this is the truck that they're sold on. 2023 new face Denali 1500. We're gonna do a chrome 12-inch FTS on it. It's gonna have chrome cross member. It's gonna have chrome traction bars up underneath. It's gonna have chrome strut tensioner braces underneath. 28x16 JTX Alphas. This truck's gonna be absolutely beautiful. This is a one time a year kind of build for me, and it's my favorite kind. You know, we do the Fords, the any level lifts and stuff like that all the time. I really like the Chevys. I like the independent front ends. I like big chrome. I like all the good stuff. So we're gonna do that on this truck. Come with a lollipop.
No, that's a blow pop.
What the hell?
Lollipop.
Damn, my wrist so froze. Damn, my neck so cold. Got VVS all on my stones. And all of my pockets, I'm swole. Just hopped in the phone, I'm gone. I got your hoe playing my songs. Young nigga back to the bone. Young nigga put one in your dome. Young niggas pull up with it. Young niggas pull up with it. Shooting like Penny, yeah, bitch, I'm from Memphis. Every clip on us, you know it's extended. Moving that way just like Planet Fitness. 22 shots on me, Andrew Wiggins. Ballin' too hard, never had a scrimmage.
Today's a sad day. The 28s are gone. 38s and 28s off the Tahoe. They're going to a new owner, Richard. 12-inch all-chrome FTS lift. This is on a 2023 Denali 1500. It does have magnetic ride control. Check out the faceplate. Chrome finish FTS 12-inch. We did 5-row wheel lights with rock lights on it. Truck's driving all the way back to Arizona after this. I also wanted to give a big shout out to Cruzin with Mel and Poppin' Clutches for coming by. Mel was coming by to get a set of 26x16 Amani Forged. This is the Napoleano.
You know what I feel like right now?
What?
Alright, so we just ran into a problem.
We need a new clip like that.
On the back of OBS right now, check. He's on 38 and it's rubbing the road now. So what they're gonna do is put 25/16s on his truck and they're gonna put the trailer on the back. But he's not gonna make that. They just opened. They don't even have like fountain drinks or anything yet. Man, bro. Yeah, they just opened. That shit was good as fuck today. We had never had it. I heard some lady in there talking about how she's from Chicago and here in Atlanta. Oh, that's hold on.
Also wanted to show you a build we're doing on a Ram Mega Cab 3500. It's a striker lift kit. This is actually a very special build. I just haven't had much time to post about it. It's getting 26-inch JTX omens. This is going to be a good look. As you can see here, 37-inch Fury tires on 26-inch JTX omens. Got the floating center caps. They're made billet aluminum. They're super strong. They float super easy. JTX has a very, very high quality product. The paint is phenomenal too. This is the brushed face wheel with gloss black accents. Really can't beat it. This is a 2023 Ram 3500 Mega Cab. I also wanted you to take a look at this 2024 new body style F250. This one is built by private label built. Adrian, very nice guy, customer at the shop here, brings us a lot to do. The white and polished striker lift kit underneath this one is amazing. It's got the 4-link front with the traction bars in the rear. JTX wheels, 26x14s with 37-inch Furies. It seems to be a perfect setup. I mean, you really can't go any better than that, to be honest. So this truck's all color matched. It looks phenomenal. This is definitely a neck breaker for sure. Cruising Cowetas today. It's May 3rd. Rick Ross shows today too. We're gonna dedicate to Cruising Coweta, but if we end up at Rick Ross, then whatever. Mikey got my Tahoe ready, got my lights on, everything's back. Bumper's fixed, pieces are painted. Somewhat clean. Should be a good day. Third person to show up.
All right, y'all. I want to shout out to everybody. Thank y'all for coming out today, enjoying this great weather we got out here at Cruzin Coweta Car Show 2023. Make sure you stop by the shirt tent over here, get your shirts. They're gonna sell out fast. I got that feeling. Make sure y'all stay hydrated. See the vendors. We got Nissan over here. They got a raffle for it.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical positions in your bushes. Who rock grooves and make moves with all the mamas. The back is the club, sipping my wet is where you find me. The back is the club, Mac is move, I cruise behind me. 15.
I don't even know where that came from. Oh, I'm so happy. I don't even know how this happened, guys. Thanks.